In this video, I will show you how to transfer TON from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. To do this, first just go and open up the Bybit app or website, and then in the bottom right, go ahead and click on Assets. Now from within your assets, you want to go ahead and click on Withdraw, and then if you own some TON coin, you will see it right here, so go ahead and click on it. And now you will need to put in an address. To find this, open up Bitget Wallet, and then in your Bitget Wallet, go ahead and click on Receive, and just going to select TON. From here you will get your wallet address, and you can see TON receive from the TON mainnet, which means you need to select the TON network. So just go and click on the copy icon and go back to Bybit, and first paste in the address that you just copied right here. Now for the network, select TON, since that's the one that they also had on Bitget Wallet. Then from here, choose how much you want to do, so I'll do it from my funding account and just click on max. And then here you can click withdraw and then click on confirm. Now just enter the verification code sent to your email address and your Google Authenticator code. So then it says withdraw application submitted. Now you can see it will be gone from my balance right here. And now when I go to Bitget Wallet, it is going to be showing up right here. So I'll just wait for it to show up. So for me it took about 1 or 2 minutes, and now you can see it's in my wallet right here. So that's how to transfer TON from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.